Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope that you're having a bright Christmas season. I am Best Cat 8, and today I'm bringing you guys along with me to put up some lights and decorations. Okay, honestly, my husband is going to put up the Christmas decorations. I'm going to sip on my buttercream wine, enjoy the fire pit, eat some popcorn, and assist. Keep watching. My family had so much fun putting up the Christmas decorations, so I really do hope that you enjoyed the video. I also hope that you're having an amazing, magical holiday season. And remember, it is what you say it is. Thank you guys so much for watching. I want to invite you to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy holidays and jingle all the way.